Hi, I'm Joe Larkin. I am the Southwest Sales Manager with Lippert Automotive, and I represent ranch hand bumpers, Kurt Towing Products, Laverne Truck Equipment, Aries Automotive, and UWS Toolboxes. And today we have this Ram truck here with some of our products on it. This is our ranch hand Legend bumper. This is a very heavy-duty bumper with Schedule 40 pipe. It's designed to take a hit. If an animal comes out in front of the road, this is, designed to protect the vehicle. It has a 2-inch receiver on the front of it. If you want to put a winch on it, you can. Or need to use it to pull something out, this is designed for that. Over here, we have our ranch hand running boards. Made by Ranch Hand in Shiner, Texas, just like the bumper. And here, I can probably get it over here. This is a new product offering from Ranch Hand, headache racks. And you can purchase them with the cutouts for the lights or without the cutouts for the lights. Back here is our UWS toolbox. This is a combination toolbox, fuel tank combination toolbox. And this product right here, being that it's a puck system setup here, this is our rocker ball gooseneck ball, rated at 30,000 pounds. And what this ball is designed to do is to absorb energy as you're driving down the road. So what it does, it smooths out the ride. There's a polymer bushing built into this ball. And what it's designed to do is to absorb energy as you're driving down the road.
Where can we find out more information about Lippert and the house brands?
You can go to lippert.com or go to kurtmfg.com, uws.com, ranchhand.com, ariesautomotive.com, or laverne.com.